Hey beautiful people, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Renee here again with another upcycle. So this week upcycle is all about this old shelf that I purchased some time ago. I think I got it for about 1,000 Jamaican dollars or 2,000 Jamaican dollars, something of that sort, which is roughly 10 US dollars about there. Now this video I'll be showing you how I paint it over from this black color into a creamish color paint that I have. So remember guys, when you are doing an upcycle or a DIY project, please to use products that you have around the house so that it won't cost you much. Thanks again for the person that likes my videos. Thanks for sharing it, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Hit the notification bell so that you can get notified each time I upload a video. Thank you. See you. So here I started. Actually, I had cleaned the surfaces of the shelf before. I used water with a little vinegar. You can use degreaser, or also you can use mineral spirit. Those are the things I see other persons using, so I use what I had, and what I had was vinegar and water. I use it to wipe down the surface to remove any grease that was there, let it dry, and then I go into painting it. Now the paint that I use here is a BH paint. It's a creamish color. Actually it's a mixed tint, I think that's what they call it. Actually when they actually mix a color and it didn't come out the right color, and they maybe sell it for a little cheaper price. So mist tint, yes, I think it's mist tint. I will put the word there if I'm incorrect. So I got this paint at the BH paint shop at Premier Plaza, that is in After Tree. So you can see me going over each of the shelf with the paint, and then once I covered all the layers, I let it dry, and once I let it dry, I go over it again. Now this paint had a little thickness to it, I guess because it wasn't shaken properly. So what I should have done is, when I purchased it, I should have asked them to put it on their mixing machine so that it shakes well. But mine, I actually like the texture of mine. It was very thick. It gave me the effect of when you mix paint with baking soda. That's a new thing that I really see persons doing now. It gives that nice thick texture. Yes, and I like that texture, so that's why I decided to use it. Here you see me going over it with another coat, and then I let it sit there, and then I gave it a third coat, and then I end up going over the side rails. Thanks again for watching. Hope you like this upcycle. You can use any color you like. Here's the before, and here's the after. Tell me what you do differently and what color you would use to do your shelf. I will do a separate video showing you how these objects here were created. For example, these finials that we call curtain rod ends, I actually learned this when I was searching for the right term. They were actually spray paint and the sleeves were removed, so I'll do a separate video. Thanks again for watching. Please remember to share, subscribe, and like. Comment what you like about this video, and tell me what other video you would like to see me do. Thank you again.